Tonight we are making Mum on Muddy Lane's delicious pork schnitzel with wild jack fresh citrus vodka and caper butter sauce. For the recipe, you will need plain flour, 2 eggs, panko breadcrumbs, zest of 1 orange, 1 lemon, the juice of, 50 ml of wild jack fresh citrus vodka, 50 grams of salted butter, 2 tablespoons of capers with the liquid, and pork shoulder steaks. Don't forget to pour yourself a little glass of vodka too. It is so delicious. Oh my goodness, add a little zest of orange and some rosemary, and this is the perfect cooking accompaniment. Take your pork and cover it in flour. Dip it into the egg. Make sure it's really well covered so that when you pop it into the breadcrumbs, it gets super crispy crunchy. Delicious. Make sure you've created a table fit for Christmas guests. Oh, here's the fresh citrus vodka. It's so yummy. This is from Wild Jack, who are this incredible British firm who use botanical spices and herbs to create this most delicious drink. Now, pop your pork into a frying pan. Make sure the oil is beautifully hot so you get a beautiful crisp finish to the breadcrumbs. After about 3 minutes, turn them over and do the other side. Oh, don't forget to have another little sip of vodka just to keep you warm whilst you're cooking. Gloriously golden to match the glorious drink. Now, add half of the squeezed lemon juice. Add half of the butter. Pop them onto a plate to rest whilst you finish the sauce. Add the rest of the butter to the pan, and once melted, add the capers and liquid from the caper jar. Squeeze in the remaining lemon juice, and don't forget to add the vodka. Either use the flames from your gas hob or a match if you don't have one of those. Light it to burn off the alcohol. I'm serving this with some fresh steamed wintergreens. So simple and so quick. Pork schnitzel with wild jack fresh citrus vodka and caper butter sauce.